Welcome to Panasonic eHelp. In the following how-to video, we will show you the initial setup procedure for connecting an Android device to the HD camera KX HN1003 and the KX HNC800. To start, plug in the HD camera and wait about a minute for the LED to turn solid green. Confirm that your Android device is connected to your router's Wi-Fi network. Then, download the Panasonic Home Network app from the Google Play Store. Start the Home Network app. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions and select the appropriate region or country. Then, select Next. Tap HD Camera. Tap Set up the HD camera. When prompted, press the Setup button on the back of the camera. The LED indicator blinks in green. The app temporarily changes your mobile device's Wi-Fi setting so that it connects to the camera directly. If necessary, enter the password required to connect to your wireless router, and then tap Next. The camera and your mobile device connect to your wireless router. If you enter the wrong password, an error is displayed. Repeat the initial setup procedure from the beginning. When prompted, press the Setup button on the back of the camera. The camera registers your mobile device. Tap OK and then enter the password that will be used to connect to the camera and tap OK. When prompted, enter a name for your mobile device. This setting allows you to change the name assigned to your device. It can help you identify your mobile device when performing certain operations, such as deregistering a mobile device. When entered, tap OK. Your mobile device is now registered. Tap OK. A list of all cameras registered to the app is displayed when initial setup is complete. Tap your HD camera to view it live.